Welcome back, fellow gardeners. Today we're taking you on an exciting journey from our lush guava orchards to the bustling market where these delicious fruits will be sold. If you've ever wondered how guavas are harvested and prepared for sale, stay tuned because we're about to dive into the entire process. Guava trees are a blessing in any garden, offering not just beauty but also a bountiful harvest. These vibrant green fruits are ready to be picked, and today we'll show you how to harvest them at the peak of their ripeness. To ensure the best quality, it's essential to pick guavas when they're fully ripe but still firm. A gentle twist and pull is all it takes to harvest them without damaging the fruit or the tree. Once the guavas are harvested, the next step is sorting. We carefully separate the fruits based on size and quality. Only the best make it to the market. Proper packing is crucial. We use breathable baskets to keep the guavas fresh and prevent any bruising during transport. Each basket is filled with perfectly ripe guavas, ready to delight customers. Now that our guavas are packed, it's time to hit the road. Transporting these fruits requires careful handling to ensure they reach the market in perfect condition. As we make our way to the market, we're excited to share these fresh, juicy guavas with the community. The journey from garden to market is always an adventure. We've arrived at the market and now it's time to set up our stall. Presentation is key, so we arrange the guavas neatly, showcasing their vibrant colors and inviting aroma. Market day is always exciting. Seeing customers appreciate the fruits of our labor makes all the hard work worthwhile. We love interacting with our customers, sharing tips on selecting the best guavas, and even offering recipes for enjoying them. It's a wonderful way to connect with the community and share our passion for gardening. After a successful day at the market, it's time to pack up and head home. Harvesting guavas and bringing them to market is a rewarding experience, one that brings us closer to nature and to our community. Thank you for joining us on this journey from garden to market. We hope you've enjoyed seeing the process and maybe even found some inspiration for your own gardening adventures. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more gardening tips and tricks.